Coloring Book Bonanza. Bill Platt's Coloring Book Bonanza. Coloring Book Bonanza focuses on creating coloring book designs using public domain illustrations. After explaining how to create the artwork, we go deep into the principles of how to identify your book's target audience, how to write an outstanding book description with many examples, and how to use this information to create free advertising for your coloring books. The main training is delivered in a 52-page PDF. There are two key components to this training. Simple 5-step process allows you to convert illustrations and vector images to line art. This process is pretty much universal, no matter which image editing software you use. The training shows you how to do these 5 steps inside of Photoshop and Gimp. It should be noted that this methodology only works with illustrations and vector images. It does not work with photographs. This part of the training covers the first 24 pages in the training, with plenty of screenshots and written by Andreas Quintana. How to write a book description that will appeal to the people who like buying coloring books. The training shows in detail the 4 best target audiences for coloring books, the people who purchase more coloring books than any other audience. They also provide multiple examples of how to write a book description that will appeal to these particular audiences. The training additionally describes how advertising is different than the book description and how one should approach advertising a coloring book using free methods or paid. This part of the training is written by Bill Platt. Coloring Book Bonanza Upgrade Offers, OTOs. Main offer, Coloring Book Bonanza $19.95. This is the main training offer, delivered in a 52-page PDF. Upgrade 1. Coloring Book Bonanza Video Training $17. This is a video walkthrough of the techniques described in the PDF. OTO 2. Low Content Cash Cows $17. This PDF describes where and how to create mandala coloring designs, mazes, and crossword puzzles. Upgrade 3. Coloring Books for Adults Video Training $47. This is more than 6 hours of video training over 21 videos, recorded in 2015, and originally sold as an upsell for Bill Platt's Coloring Books for Adults training. This particular training originally sold for $97. Coloring Book Bonanza. Bill Platt's Coloring Book Bonanza